Did you know a vitamin deficiency could make your tongue turn bright red, cause hallucinations, or bizarre skin rashes? Today, we're diving into niacin deficiency. Let's explore 10 strange signs your body needs niacin. Picture this. You wake up and your tongue feels like it's burning, bright red, sore, and inflamed. This is an early warning sign of niacin deficiency. This condition is known as glossitis. It can be painful, making it hard to eat or talk. Don't ignore these symptoms. Your body might be lacking sufficient niacin. Now, here's something even stranger. Casal's necklace. Imagine developing a rash around your neck and shoulders that looks like you've been sunburned, but you haven't been in the sun at all. This odd-looking rash is a classic sign of niacin deficiency, often seen in pellagra. It's called Casal's necklace because of the distinct pattern it forms. Have you ever had skin so rough and irritated it looks like a bad sunburn, even when you've been inside all day? This is called niacin dermatitis, a symptom of vitamin B3 deficiency. The skin can become thick, cracked, and scaly, especially on the hands and feet. It's like your skin is so desperate for niacin it's falling apart. We've all had those moments where we lose our temper, but what if it's happening more often? Sudden mood swings, irritability, and unexplainable anger can be linked to niacin deficiency. Without enough niacin, neurotransmitters can go haywire, making you feel like you're on a constant emotional roller coaster. Ever had a stomach that just won't settle? Bloating, nausea, or even loss of appetite? It could be a cry for niacin. A deficiency can wreak havoc, leading to vomiting, diarrhea, and other gut troubles you don't want to deal with. Feeling foggy lately? Struggling to remember things? It could be more than forgetfulness. A severe deficiency in niacin can lead to confusion, memory loss, and delirium. Niacin is crucial for brain function. Without it, your mind may feel like it's in a haze. A lack of niacin can affect your mental health, causing depression, hallucinations, and psychosis. These symptoms are often mistaken for other conditions, leading to unnecessary stress and confusion. Sometimes the solution is boosting your vitamin B3 levels. Swollen and bleeding gums aren't just a sign of vitamin C deficiency. If your gums are inflamed and bleed easily, niacin deficiency could be the culprit. Your gums might be trying to tell you something important. They're a window into your overall health, signaling something's not right. Ever felt a tingling or burning sensation in your hands or feet? This odd sensation, known as peripheral neuropathy, happens when nerves lack support. Niacin is essential for nerve function, and low levels cause weird signals. Don't ignore these symptoms. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? It might be because your body is missing niacin. Niacin helps produce serotonin, which regulates sleep. A deficiency could mess with your sleep-wake cycle. Check your niacin levels if you're constantly struggling to sleep. While niacin deficiency might not be common in developed countries, it's still something to watch out for, especially if your diet lacks key nutrients. If you've noticed these symptoms, check your vitamin B3 levels and talk to your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and take charge of your health today. Want more health facts? Hit subscribe and the notification bell. See you in the next video.